Hey guys, welcome to the Ray K channel. So today is Christmas Day and I just find that we have a new update from Tesla, which is version 2020.48.26. I just got updated it and just hop into my car and check it out. So here you go. You can see the major differences is the car icon here is way bigger than before, and instead of all these parking, rear, neutral, driving, all these is in this area. In the past is swap over here, as well as your light area. For example, I do this, turn the beam light on, and left, right, stuff like that. These are the main differences, sounds like. Let's see what else that is differences. In terms of, you find here the windshield icon is located here, which is new, and you can adjust it from here instead of keep flipping it from here. Yeah, it's actually got disappeared. What else? Let's see. Let's check the software update. You can see here, zoom in a little bit. You can see it's 2048.26, and click on the release notes. Alright, as you can see here, release notes looks better in terms of the UI. There's new games here, like Battle of Polytopia, Cat Quest, the 80s games that come from Windows 3.1, I guess. Boom Boss, this is the one that we can give it a try. This is the one that everyone is talking about. Driving, so this is the one that we're gonna give it a try later on when I drive it out. Schedule departure improvement. So schedule departure can now precondition your battery and cabin even when your car is unplugged. So we can give it a try later. Emission testing mode improvement can be used outside the car, meaning like this fart tone, it can be broadcast outside as well. Supercharged display, this is pretty awesome. Vehicle information, the Tesla T has been removed from the top here, but where rather is tap and control software with the same information. So let's give it a try. The entertainment, let's check out. Okay, so you can see these are the new game. For example, this one, this is the one that everyone played back in the days, Windows 3.1. Alright, exit game, you know what that is. The other cool things that I wanted to show you guys is you can actually connect your console, I mean a joystick, like an Xbox joystick like this, to the USB-A port and play the game. So let's give it a try. Alright, so I just connected my Xbox1 X controller through USB. Let's see here, USB here to the console USB port over there, which is the USB-A connector. And I'm gonna try one of the shooting games, Astros. And you can, instead of using the touchscreen to play, you can really use the joystick. Alright, so it shows that using joystick is way better than using the touchscreen to play. Alright, so this is the it's pretty annoying, so let me turn it off with that interesting tone. Let me see, what do I need to do? Okay, let's chill. You can see again the visual effect is bigger.
Forest Drive Southeast
is way bigger than before. Easier for people like
now
me
turn right onto
who
Forest
needs to
Drive
wear
Southeast.
glasses to check out the road condition. One thing I wanted to have a look is whether the traffic light will make it, they have a better icon for the traffic light. They do, it's very big. Way bigger than before. You can see the lane is also very clear. And we'll go to the highway and see how things go. You can also see on the top that here it has like what I'm driving, what kind of speed I'm driving, and also the speed limit. And also the autopilot icon has been moved from here to there. Let's see the traffic light again. Not bad, I can see the green.
In 1,000 feet, turn right to take the Interstate 405 northbound toward Interstate 90. Now turn right to take the Interstate 405 north ramp.
So you can also see the bars go up, like over there.
In 1,000 feet, keep left to stay on Interstate 405 north.
So right now I'm on the highway.
Now keep left to stay on Interstate 405 north.
And I'll try to use autopilot for a bit. You can see my wheel speed is here. Maximum is here. Is based on what I chose. I can also make it higher, and that is the speed limit and also the autopilot. Alright, I'm going to turn off autopilot. The reason I don't use autopilot right now is because it's just a basic autopilot options that I have, and sometimes I feel that it's less secure to drive with autopilot, like when I'm in a multi-lane highway condition. But you can see right now it's way easier to see the left and right lane as compared to before, as the screen of what of your driving area it is big. Let me try a mission. Fart on signal.
51st Street.
So if you keep on having the signal, then it will keep on farting. That's the funny part. Alright. Don't fart. Good. It fart because I turned right. Now it doesn't fart, but it will fart again when I turn right.
In 500 feet, turn right onto 148th Avenue Northeast. Now turn right onto 148th Avenue Northeast.
Alright, it's enough. Let me turn that off. Alright, no more fart.
Now turn left onto 147th Court Northeast. Now your destination is on the left.
Alright, so I use the latest software update, explain to you guys what the new features are, especially the fart one that you will be hearing while I drove from my home to my friend's house to pick up my Xbox1 X. No, it's Xbox X series. And well, kind of excited because this is the new toys that I will be playing during Christmas. And so far that's pretty much the major update for this latest software release from Tesla. So far I enjoy it, but not as dramatic as what I thought it would be. For example, like there's no new features for autopilot. The only major big one is like make the screen to be bigger while driving and also playing those cool tone and the new games. I was happy that I was using my Xbox controller to play some of the games, which it will be way more comfortable as compared to playing it on the screen touchscreen. So that's pretty much the update I have today, and I hope you enjoy it. So remember to like, subscribe, and click on the notification button so that you can see different kind of video that I take. My next one likely to be my two favorite animal, Momo and Coco. I hope you guys will like the next video, and that's it. Thank you. Bye now.